Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Today we will discuss 10 best customer data platform with buying guide and reviews. Customer data platforms are pivotal in helping businesses better understand and engage with their customers. They empower companies to collect, analyze, and leverage customer data to enhance marketing, customer service, and overall business strategies. We shall introduce the 10 best CDPs, each with a one line description to help you make an informed decision. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftwares1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, Salesforce Customer 360. Let's know its features. Enhanced customer journey tracking and analytics for data and driven decision making, seamless integration with Salesforce CRM and third-party applications, scalable and adaptable to evolving business need for long-term value. Number 2, Segment. Let's know its features. Cost can escalate with increased data volume and features usage. Complex setup and configuration may require expertise and time investment. Reliance on third party integrations can introduce potential data vulnerabilities. Adobe. Number 3, Adobe. Let's know its features. Seamlessly integrate with Adobe's marketing tool for comprehensive customer engagement. Provide a unified view of customer data across channels and touchpoints. Enhance security measures, safeguard sensitive customer information effectively. Number 4, Blue Konica. Let's know its features. It offers a unified view of customer information, enhancing data consistency. Blue Konica support real-time data upgrade, enable timely marketing actions. Its user-friendly interface facilities easier data management and segmentations. Number 5, Exponia. Let's know its features. Exponias offer robust customer data integration for comprehensive insights. Its personalized making tools enhance customer engagement and retention. Real-time data tracking aids in immediate decision making for marketing strategies. Number 6, Optimizely. Let's know its features. Enhances personalized customer experience through data-driven insight and testing. Simplify data in integration and analysis, streamlining decision-making process. Offer robust A/B testing and experimentation tool for optimizing marketing strategies. Number 7, Latix. Let's know its features. Latix streamlines customer data, enhancing personalized marketing strategies. Real-time data assess help decision making, optimizing customer engagement. Scalability support business growth, ensuring data management efficiency. Number 8, Amperity. Let's know its features. It enhances personalization, leading to higher customer engagement and loyalty. Amperity offer real-time data update, ensuring accurate, up-to-date information. The platform's flexibility allow business to adapt to changing customer needs. Number 9, Thesis Data. Let's know its features. Enable data consolidation for a holistic customer view and analysis. Facilitate real-time data process and analysis for quicker insight. Offer scalable cloud-based infrastructure for cost-effective operation. Provide user-friendly dashboards. Number 10, Bluevine. Let's now its feature. BlueN offer robust customer data integration and centralized storage. Its advanced analytics provide valuable insight for targeted marketing campaigns. The platform supports real-time data updates, ensuring up-to-date customer profiles. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestadvancedsoftware.com. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Thanks for watching.